twice.
Yeah.
And then 44.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. So, じゃあ、44から。
はい。
Cool.
この辺にできたりしないですか？
じゃあモニターを。
いや。
あと私もジェフさんに作っちゃう。
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You guys need to run anything else? I mean, I'm cool, but I don't want to like burn everybody's chops out.
なんだろう、ちょっと just only melody or check the ending.
Okay.
Other 6 songs. Maybe Tucci is okay. I don't need to do that. Maybe Rainy Season 2.
Okay.
Maybe I just want to work on なんだろう like new one for
Okay. Realization?
In the real is probably alright. It's just a ballad, right?
Yeah. That's gonna be
The last chord is B flat.
right.
Yeah. This one, yeah.
Let's just like run
realization.
realization of the truth, and then
Yeah, this one has
a little bit tricky, right?
yeah 3/4 and full 4.
So we're all in at the top.
Hi.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's super tricky, right?
I need a pen again. Sorry.
ここで
You
4
just have to circle a few.
4/4 なんだね。
Yeah,
Solo.
4/4. That's tricky. I was like, why did he write 4 things in 3? And I'm like, oh, because it's in 4 now. Yeah. We just do that whole thing. I'm serious.
Yeah.
Thanks.
This is hard to read?
No, it's just not familiar enough yet, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's all, you wrote it very clearly.
Alright, from the top.
はい、お願いします。
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I thought it was a DC, because we have to,
DS. It's
did we
DS.
change that?
It's DS.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah. Sorry.
Sorry.
And you have to get that pickup note.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, like I said, I thought we were going back to the,
45, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
yeah, from 45.
So starting from 45. 1, 2, 3. When we play, I want it to go longer and like come down actually, but
Okay.
yeah. So like, Aaron's going to get a little bit of action on that vamp, and then we're going to bring it down, and then kind of fade it out. Yeah. But I'll cue the ending. Okay.